Guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about a topic that is related to relationship capital and how you can use it in order to get results much faster. So maybe I was using this, I was not aware, like unless I came across my mentor's video, and also I heard this about in a TEDx talk somewhere. So I just wanted to shoot you like how you can leverage this in order to make much more results online. So please make sure you stay till the end, and also if you are brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be adding up strategies that I'm actually implementing in my business that can actually grow your business much faster way. And if you have a business, or if you're willing to start a business, or like you are kind of stuck, or if you need any type of help, like if you want someone to talk to you, like feel free to schedule a free strategy call. First link in the description. That will actually help you get clarity on your business, or maybe if you need any further help, then we can discuss, like my mentors team, like that will actually, they will help you on getting on the right direction. So please feel free to schedule a free strategy call. And coming back to today's topic, like before I talk about relationship capital, like let's talk about like capital that you have in your bank account. Like let's say you have $10,000 in your bank account, or you have a house or property that has $100,000 value. So these are the capitals that you own, and similar to them, like there is something called as relationship capital. So this is like what relationship capital mean is like the kind of relationship with you have with people, and the kind of value that carries. And I'm not talking at a personal level, but I'm talking at when it comes to online business. Like let's consider two people, like one guy is talking to more than 300 people every month, and one guy is not at all talking to anybody. So what is relationship capital is like, if you want to build relationship with, like you want to interacting with people, like I know, like creating content, having million subscribers is one part where you're having the trust with people. But if you're messaging someone at a direct personal level, like if you're just talking, like that has a different value altogether. I'm not promoting, or I'm not implying here, like I see many spam box filled within my inbox where here is a new opportunity, sign up and you get so much money. Like that should not be what you will be doing. That does not belong to category of relationship capital. So you're actually spoiling that if you're trying to spam everyone. What I meant by this is like simply networking with people. Like you can join Facebook groups, and you can follow Instagram page, where you will find people like who are related to in whatever you are doing. So you can just send them a message. I have seen people like send me a messages, and they genuinely try to help me, like literally, and even I do the same. When they come, like if somebody is trying to sell you something, you can smell that shit like from very long. So there are guys like who literally wants to help you. And if you do it this way, let's consider like you are messaging 10 people every day, and you are having 6 conversation every day, because everybody doesn't reply you. Still, I told 6 is a greater number. Some people respond less. So let's say you're having 10 genuine conversations every single day. For example, like right now in a month, like you are having 300 conversations, and don't even think about money right now, because you are just networking and you are building. You can definitely pitch your offers, but not in the beginning. So you got to understand, you got to listen first what they are struggling with and how you can help them. Provide massive value as much as you can. Once you see that trust with you guys, then they will feel like you're crazy, like how you are providing so much value for free. And once that chemistry is just right, like you can pitch your offer, or like you can ask them to schedule a call with you. So just trust me guys, like if you are having 300 genuine conversations every single month, and even you will get better at talking to people. And if you are having that amount of conversation on every single month, like trust me, even if I consider 5% conversion rate, like you will still make 10K a month with that method, unless obviously like your product should have massive value to that. And so this is, I'm not looking at a short-term goal. Definitely you can make very big amount of money with this method, but trust me, you need to look at this in the long run. Like you message somebody, you can't expect him to buy it from today. That can happen, obviously. That totally depends on how much he's converted for that product already. But you got to build that trust with him. You need to become the brand. You can add him to Facebook group. You can ask him to follow you, help him with your YouTube videos, or if you need any sort of help, like you can just jump on a call and sort them out for them. And some people are very nice and some people are very aggressive, like they don't like talking, so you can just ignore them. So it's a ratio game again. Like you got to keep on messaging every single day people. I'm not promoting spam thing, like you don't want to sell anything unless until you have their approval, you have their trust, then only the conversation is going to happen. So if you keep on doing this like for a long time, you will have much bigger business, and there are plenty of people doing it. I have seen multiple people doing 60K a month with this method, and I recently saw 20K a week. So it's huge amount like you can do if you are doing it with high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started with this thing, like if you need any type of help, like you can always schedule a free strategy call. And I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you are enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to connect with me personally, you can email me. I'll leave my email address in the description. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.